Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at whether or not you may be eligible to bring a claim for compensation if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a bowel injury. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, along with how we recommend you begin the process of claiming, as well as how much your bowel injury claim may be worth, as we take a look at our compensation injury amount table. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Bowel injuries can be sustained in a number of different accident types, from road traffic accidents, accidents at work, as well as being the result of medical negligence. And if you'd like to bring a claim for a bowel injury, if the injury was caused due to the negligence of another, you may be entitled to compensation. So that's whether or not you may be eligible. But how do you go about bringing a bowel injury claim? Well, we strongly recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with bowel injury compensation claims. The good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk not only offers a no-win, no-fee service, which means that there's no upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay, but we're also happy to offer you a completely free, zero obligation consultation. We will talk through your case with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676, or by visiting our around the clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to go over compensation guidelines for personal injury. And if you'd like to know more about personal injury compensation amounts, we'll be happy to discuss personal injury compensation levels and use our workplace injury compensation calculator, our personal injury insurance settlement calculator, our soft tissue injury compensation calculator, and our medical negligence claim calculator to help you establish how much you may be entitled to, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will be for your injuries alone and do not include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work, any medical expenses, the cost of any trips made in relation to your injury, as well as any other expenses associated with your bowel injury. Now we're going to take a look at how much your injuries may be worth when claiming compensation by taking a look at our bowel injury compensation claim amount table. In front of us we have the table for bowel injury, and in the top category, and this is for cases involving double incontinence, namely total loss of natural bowel function and complete loss of urinary function and control, together with other medical complications, and you could expect to receive anything up to £146,840. Then total loss of natural function and dependence on colostomy, depending on age. You could expect to receive anything up to £119,650. Then severe abdominal injury causing impairment of function and often necessitating temporary colostomy, leaving disfiguring scars and or restriction on employment and on diet. The average compensation for this, it could be anything from £35,540 all the way up to £55,590. Then finally, penetrating injuries causing some permanent damage but with an eventful return to natural function and control. You could expect to receive anything from £10,040 all the way up to £19,520. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.